Okay, good day, sir. My name is Shoretiwe Triumph Oluwafikayomi, and my matric number is CSC/2022/222. On the Department of Computer Engineering. Now, my question was pretty straightforward. The question was, I should use a for loop to calculate the sum of all integers. The sum of all integers from 1 to 50, and print out the sum. So in order to do this, in order to solve this problem that was given to me, the question that was given to me, I first had to initialize a variable known as total. So I initialized it and equated it to 0, and I gave it an item of 0. That's total equal to 0. So since they said we should, since the question was that I should calculate the sum of all integer from 1 to 50, I using the for loop. So the next line was that I used for number in range 1 to 51. Why I'm using range 1 to 51? Because the range function is going to stop at the number before the last number that was included. That means, for instance, if we have 51 here, you're going to see from 1, it's going to list out numbers from 1 to 50. If, for instance, if we wanted to list out numbers from 1 to 100, we have to see from 1 to 101. So it's going to stop at the preceding number or before the preceding numbers. That's the main number. So we have to, like, for instance, we want to stop at 100, we have to write 101. So it's going to stop at, it's going to minus 1 by 100. So, and we are not stepping this, it's automatically at the first stepping of 1. If we use step 2, we're going to be skipping to 2 numbers to get to 51. So that's it. So what this does now is, for each number in this range, total, which is 0 plus that number. So what it's going to first do is that for 1 in this range, so it will do 1 plus 0, and it will store it as total. So when it's going to be 1 plus 0, that will be 1. Then total will be 1. Then it's going to do for 2 plus 1, 3. It will store it as total. 3 plus 3, 6. It will store it as total. Then the next number, 6 plus 4, 10. It will store it to total. Then it's going to add numbers until it gets to 50. It's going to sum all the numbers until it gets to 50. So we're now going to print the sum of all integers from 1 to 50 is total. Why we are printing this total is because that's where we stored all our sum in. So if I go ahead and run this code right here, we'll see that this is this sum of all integers. Okay, let me remove this. Let me make this. So if I go ahead and just print total, and run the code, you see that it will give me the sum of all numbers from 1 to 50 will be 271. If you can check my calculator, you see it gives the same answer. So that's it. But then if I include this small heading, just this, I'll use an F string so I can easily denote it. Put this in curly brackets so that they know that this is distinct. Then I run this code. You're going to see, okay, the sum of all integers from 1 to 50 is this. So he's here to see the sum of all integers from 1 to 50. The sum of all integers from 1 to 50 is 1275. Thank you very much, sir. Yeah, that'll be all for now.